on the gaming channel, and on this video we're gonna have a Nerf war with my brother and my friend Dayan playing cards.
He has no ammo! Punk! Who comes to a Nerf fight with no ammo?
This gun. Oh! Did you just shoot him in the eye?
Here, I'll give you ammo.
Bro, I didn't even. I had perfect aim, bro. You need to do that.
Here, you can keep these 2 bullets.
Oh my boy.
You can keep them. Because they're lively. You have another bag, so I don't know why I'm letting them keep it.
I know, man. Bro, did you listen? Are you okay?
Bro, now he wants to kill you.
Guys, guess what? I just headshotted him. I didn't mean to do that.
He wants to kill you now.
Okay, now we have to go full auto on him.
You actually shoot me in my ass.
He's mad, bro. He's gonna go madman mode on you.
When he gets shot, I'm shooting him.
I'm not loaded yet.
He's not loaded yet.
Nice. I hope you guys are enjoying this video and like and subscribe and put those notifications on. If you want to see another video of Nerf war.
Can we keep sliding now?
Yeah!
You bot.
You asked for this. Should I shoot him?
Hit me.
Don't.
Hit me.
He's saying still. It's not that. I don't want
Hit
to.
me.
No.
I don't play like that. I play hard.
Hit me.
No.
Dude, he's just sitting there, not with his gun cocked so we can't shoot him.
I'm trying to.
No, bro. We know that trick. You know that trick? Dude, look. The ammo's like right on the ground, bro. So? He has no other ammo.
Oh.
We should help him.
Yeah, we have to give him ammo, guys. We can't just shoot him. That's not fair, actually.
We're helping you.
What are the bullets that pass over your knees?
We're gonna help you. Let's help you. We're gonna help you.
You know how to talk this.
No, they're not a fucking magazine.
You don't know how to.
You could have shot him. Bro, look. Whoa! Well, my gun's not working. I need that bullet. Damn it. Oh, I see his bullet. I got you, bro.
I'll get him.
Oh my God.
Go get the bullet.
Let me give him his bullet. Don't reload now. I'm so... Bro, I'm taking my scope.
He's not coming out. I don't see him.
I'm getting my scope from my sniper rifle.
Guys, this is crazy, guys. I didn't mean. It's not supposed to end like this.
Guys, look how stupid this looks.
I'm just gonna.
Bro, this gun sucks. Bro, I don't know how much ammo I have.
Oh,
Dude, I have no ammo.
dude,
My
get
gun.
some. Get some
My gun
ammo.
has no ammo.
Oh, he's right there. Get him.
Oh! I shot him, bro. Yeah, you do, liar.
Just pick up some ammo.
No, he only has this type of ammo. We're shooting other type. Here, there's one on the battlefield.
Get it.
I need you guys to Chris.
No, look.
There's
Oh,
legit.
he has one.
He's look at him.
I shot him in the balls and the head.
Don't see the eyes. It's
Shot him
just.
again.
We're not saying that.
Oh, I'm out. I'm out. Protect me. Protect me.
Okay. Get some ammo.
I'm watching the mortar. I'm watching the mortar. Dude. You can't do it, you bot.
Hey guys.
Stop.
Move. You're supposed to be over there.
Dude, you don't know how to cock it?
He's moving.
Force on it, you idiot.
stuff like that.
Here, shoot the pillow. Shoot the pillow. So you here. Okay, let's say you want to shoot him, okay? Now point at the ground. Cock it hard, hard. Pull it hard.
Why you doing that?
No, you gotta do this. Try again. Put more force to it. There you go. Now it's cocked and ready. Bro, I got bazooka. Fire! I got bazooka. Bazooka, fire!
Oh, that was
That
terrible.
bazooka sucks.
Cover me.
Dude, we have no ammo. Dude, say you're not ready. Say, bro, we're out of ammo.
Yeah, we're out of ammo, bro.
We need bullets. Chill. Let us get bullets. Let us get bullets. You can't use those. Let us get bullets. You can attack, but we're reloading. Okay. Bro, the gun's cocked. I'm not.
Get reload.
Oh my god, there's legit a bullet in there. I'm not stupid. Here. Good look. Look on the barrel.
Why do you guys just starting a YouTube? Wait, but pause it.
No. I have to help him, guys.
This guy's, I'm sorry.
Look, there's a freaking bullet in there.
He jammed it.
There's a bullet in there now.
And how do we shoot it?
He's about to shoot us. Whoa! Frick. Oh, head dink! Dude, where's his bullet so I can give it to him? I found his bullet for him. Here's your bullet.
You can't be in here, dude. You can't be that close.
Downstairs.
You can't be that close to us. So.
He's coming! Peekaboo. Peekaboo! Oh, bro, I see you, bro. I see you, my boy. Oh! Oh! Dude.
What?
He got me. Alexander, you have to res me. You have to res me for 10 seconds.
I told you these hands.
Good. Dude, he shot me in the cheek.
Hey, look these hands.
Oh, did you see that shot? Bro, did you see them shots, bro, boy? Dude, I need to go. No!
Leave.
I have a gun load. Come here!
Guys, this might be like a 10-minute
Dude,
video.
feel this bullet on
Hey,
him.
let me go get something. There's a bullet out here.
Feel this bullet on him. That's up close. I'm gonna shoot it at his head if he tries to shoot us. One shot. Bang, bang. The lucky jolt. Shot. Stop. Head. There's a bullet in there, you idiot.
Again?
Look.
Well, he can shoot us right now. Well, why can't you just use all your bullets? Just do that.
Dude, why? Every time I throw him his bullet, he's just like, oh, can you help me? This is not a real Nerf war.
Basically, it's just
Bro, there's a bullet in there, bro.
let me see if you can shoot it right now.
He's behind the door, bro.
Just creeping, bro.
You see him?
No, I'm like here.
Oh, I see you, bro. Oh, shit. Oh!
Got him.
Jump.
That boy must have got some hits. And did I actually hurt him though?
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Get it? I'm if I saying oh shoots, because if he shoots me, I'm gonna shoot him. I got him. Just got his bullet. His bullet's bad.
How do you ammo? My gun.
Dude, where'd his shot go? Hey, dude, you have ammo.
Oh, where's my
Oh my god, he run out of ammo.
Oh, and one more.
Bro, we need mega bullets. Get us mega bullets. Give us the big old red chunky ones.
Okay.
Alexander needs them. Do you need ammo?
Yeah, I need ammo.
Let's find his ammo for him.
I don't. He's been doing this for a long time. He can keep doing that. They might be in your room.
Hey. Stop. Where's his ammo? Where's his?
I don't think they're out here. I think it's just chilling. I think it was
Justin, where's your ammo?
Oh, there's one right here.
Oh, give him it. Throw it to him.
Here you go.
Thank you. I have 2 bullets now.
Oh,
give me all
Give us
that.
the ammo. Give us all the red ammo. Give us the red ammo. There you go. Oh, he just took 3 bullets.
Of what?
Yours? Yeah, you do, in your hand.
Come over here.
If he runs, I'm gonna shoot him.
Hey, come here.
Wait.
I don't trust you. Just don't do anything with your gun. I don't trust you. I don't trust you.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my god, I got done. Crap. Bull crap. It's bull crap.
I think I got him actually.
Oh, imagine I shot him.
No,
I'm telling you, I'm losing so many ammos right now.
I know.
Good.
Here's your weapon. Here's your weapon.
I don't need any anymore. I got some. You can give me them when I need them. Okay, it's 6. Go.
Oh, missed.
Ah! Ah!
Oh, frick.
Sam, you can't do that.
We're pinned down. We're pinned. You got ammo for me. You got 2 bullets for me.
Ah!
One of my bullets only work. Only one of my bullets work. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Get down! That was your only bullet. I know. It's up to my shot. My head is sticking out. I hate this.
I hate this so much. How
He's not shooting his gun. That's good. Means he's scared.
Ah!
That was his only bullet.
Get the bullets now.
Oh shoot!
Get the bullets
Let's
now.
grab him.
Just grab all the ammo.
I grabbed ammo for you too.
Did these work on my gun?
Same bullet, but different design. Oh, my gun's not cocked. Yes, it is. I just shot him. I'm insane.
Help me.
Let us shoot you with a bullet.
Okay.
Then.
Let me shoot you.
No, when I use that one, that's harder.
Stop. Give me a gun.
What?
Yeah!
Oh, here's football.
Basketball.
Here's football, not basketball.
Bro, we need to clean up all the ammo.
Bye guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the Nerf war, and yeah, bye guys.